In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a recurring task in Asana, 5 minutes. Recurring tasks are perfect for anything you need to do on a schedule like weekly reports, monthly invoicing, or daily check-ins. I'll walk you through the exact clicks so you can set it up once and let Asana handle the reminders automatically. First, open the Asana login page and sign in. Type your email address, click Continue, then enter your password and select Log In. If your organization uses single sign-on, follow your usual login flow. Once you're in, you'll land on your Asana home. From here, open the project that contains the task you want to repeat. If you haven't created the task yet, make sure it exists in the right project with a clear name so it's easy to recognize when it repeats. Now, click the task to open its details in the right-hand panel. If you don't see the Details panel, selecting the task will automatically bring it up. In the Task Details, find the Due Date field and click it to open the calendar. This is where you set the initial due date. Next, look for the Set to Repeat icon. It looks like a circular arrow. Click that icon to turn the task into a recurring task. You'll see options to choose how often it repeats. Pick the schedule that matches your workflow: daily, weekly on a specific day, monthly on a date or weekday, or a custom cadence. As you choose, make sure the next due date looks correct in the calendar preview. If your task is assigned to someone, the assignment will carry forward to each occurrence, which is great for accountability. Subtasks and descriptions typically carry over too, so include any checklists you'll need every time. Here's how recurring tasks behave in Asana. When you complete the task, Asana automatically schedules the next occurrence based on the pattern you set. That means you don't have to remember to recreate it. It just appears with the new due date. If you ever want to pause or stop the recurrence, come back to the same due date area, open the repeat settings, and switch it to none. Before you close the task, double-check that the due date, assignee, and repeat pattern look right. A quick test is helpful. Mark it complete and confirm the next one appears with the updated date. And that's it. You've set a task to repeat in Asana, saving time and making sure nothing slips through the cracks.